Best way to get netherite. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys best way to get netherite in Minecraft. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, make a nether portal and go to it, enter the nether. After that, mine 4 ancient debris, use a diamond pickaxe, you'll need a 4 blocks per nether ingot. After that, make a furnace and smelt ancient debris to make 4 netherite scraps. Then simply make 4 gold ingots by smelting raw gold in furnace. After that, make your netherite ingot in a crafting table. Combine 4 netherite scraps and 4 gold ingots. It doesn't matter how you arrange them. Then, if you want to conserve space in your inventory, combine 9 netherite ingots to make a block of netherite. So in this very simple step, you could make a netherite. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.